Good evening, my dear student. This is Surayan, chemistry teacher. And today I am going to teach you the chapter number 3, metal and non-metal. Next topic. We already discussed the low metals of low reactivity. Today we are going to discuss the metals of medium reactivity. The metals of medium reactivity, carbonate or sulfide ore. Let us look out this chart. Calcination, roasting, metal oxide, reduction of metal and refining. These are the things. These are the things you should quietly learn. These are the things you have to be learned. The metals and non-metal chapter number 3, metals of medium reactivity. Look out this chart. The metals of medium reactivity. There are two types of ore is there. Medium reactivity, carbonate ore, sulfide ore. Carbonate ore goes in calcination and sulfide ore in roasting. That both combine that give metal oxide, reduction of metal, and the pure metal is formed by the refining. So the metals in the middle of the activity series, that is like Fe, Zn, Pb, are moderately reactive. Not more reactive, not less reactive. They are the medium reactive. These are usually found as sulfide or carbonates in nature. So the medium reactive metals are found as carbonates or sulfide as in nature. So my dear student, the sulfide or carbonate ore. So the sulfide or carbonate ore. So the sulfide or carbonate ore first converted into the corresponding metal oxide. They are going to convert their oxide metal after by roasting or calcination respectively. By roasting or calcination, they are going to convert in the metal oxide. These two things are going to convert in the metal oxide. Metals of medium reactivity are found in carbonate and sulfide ore. And by the calcination or roasting, they converted into the metal oxide respectively. After that, the metal oxide is reduced. The metal oxide is often reduced to the corresponding metal by using a suitable reducing agent such as carbon, coal or coke or carbon monoxide. And after that, lastly, the metal is going to be the refined. That are the processes. That are the processes of refining of metal by the carbonates and sulfide. So my dear student, these are the things. Let's take the few examples there. Let's take the few examples. The example of when zinc oxide is heated with coke, it is reduced to metallic zinc. Like that, Zn oxide plus carbon, zinc is going to purify, and that is carbon monoxide. Let's take some other oxides as example which are reduced in this manner are as follows. First one is the strontium oxide plus carbon. That is the strontium tin plus carbon monoxide. Lead oxide plus carbon heated, then it's go give lead plus carbon monoxide. Strontium oxide also tin oxide is going to heat with the carbon. That give tin and carbon monoxide. Lead oxide react with carbon after heating, they give lead plus carbon monoxide. And ferric oxide also is going to be heat with the carbon. So ferric oxide is also going to be heat with the carbon monoxide. That gives you the ferric oxide, iron plus carbon dioxide. So my dear student, these are the things. These are the things we have to be understand by the chart, and according to the chart I give you. After that, there is a few explanation more. There is a few more explanation about this. Let us take the explanation. So my dear student, I am giving you the more explanation. If you want to read it in the short way, kindly go through my shorts and read it carefully. From today I am giving you the base short. Try to be give the base short of my videos in the short form, short videos, and these are the long videos. I elaborate it, I explain it clearly all the topics with the example, and let's take the example with the diagrammatic structure, with the chart, with the diagram, with the reaction. But in the short 4 or 5 minutes short, 2 minutes short, it is not to be clarified very easily. But I tell you lots of things also there. If you are giving the test or if you are in hurry, then you can go throughout my short video. So my dear student, let us take the examples of the explanation of this medium reactivity of metal, whatever we have read right now. So besides using carbon, besides using carbon, carbon to reduce metal oxide to metal, to reduce metal oxides to metal, metal oxides to metal, to metal oxides to metal, sometimes displacement, sometimes displacement reactions happen. Sometimes displacement reaction are also used. Reactions are also used. We also use the displacement reaction. The highly reactive metal, such as sodium, calcium, aluminum, such as sodium, calcium, aluminum, sodium, calcium, aluminum, etc. are used as reducing agent. 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 So my dear student, these are the things. Besides using carbon to reduce metal oxides to metal, sometimes displacement reactions are also used. Displacement reactions are also used. So the displacement reaction, the highly reactive metal such as sodium, calcium, aluminum, etc. are used as reducing agent. These metals displace metals of displace metals of lower reactivity from their oxide. Reactivity from their oxides. So my dear student, let us clear it with the example. For example, let us take the example first. For example, when magnesium dioxide is heated, when magnesium dioxide is heated with aluminum powder, with aluminum powder, the following reactions takes place. The following reactions take place. What are the reaction is there? The reaction is there 3MnO2 plus 4Al, that are both in the solid form, that give you 3 ml liquid plus 2Al2O3 plus heat. So that is the similarly Cr2O3 S plus 2Al, that gives you 2Crl plus Al2O3s plus heat. That are the reactions. That are the reactions. So my dear student, that are the reactions. The displacement reactions are highly. The displacement reactions are highly. The displacement reaction are highly exothermic. The amount of heat evolved is so large that the metal produced is in molten state. So my dear student, similarly when a mixture of when a mixture of ferric oxide, that is the Fe2O3 and aluminum powder is ignited and is ignited. What will happen? The iron obtained is in molten state. Therefore the process is used to join railway tracks. Therefore the process is used to join railway tracks and cracked machinery parts. What is the reaction? Let us see. Fe2O3 plus 2Al, that gives you the reaction 2FeL plus Al2O3 S plus heat. That is the form in the ferric oxide. That is the ferric oxide. And next is the Fe in the molten state. After that, reduction of metal oxides by reduction. Let us clear. I will make it clear. Reduction of metal oxides by aluminium. Aluminium powder in which large amount of large amount of aluminum powder is going to be used. Heat is evolved is called thermite process. That is called the thermite process. So there is another difference also. So my dear student, it make it clear. After the topic, besides carbon to reduce metal oxide, carbon is the process for the reduction of metal oxide, for the process of metal oxide during the reduction. We are going to use the carbon. But sometimes displacement reaction are also used in this reaction. The highly reactive metals such as sodium, calcium, aluminum, etc. are used to reducing agent. As reducing agent, these metals displace metals of lower reactivity from their oxide. Suppose that given example, when magnesium oxide is treated or heated with aluminum powder, the following reaction takes place. Magnesium oxide, aluminum, it gives the magnesium and the aluminum oxides and the heat. Similarly, chromium oxide, aluminum treated chromium, aluminum oxide plus heat. The displacement reaction, whatever going on the haloexothermic, and the amount of heat evolved in this reaction is very large, that the metal produced in the molten state, that should be produced in the molten state. Suppose that similarly, when a mixture of ferric oxide Fe2O3 and aluminum powder is going to be treated, the ignited, the iron obtained is in molten state. Therefore, the process is used to join the railway tracks and the cracked masonry part. This process is going to use in the railway tracks and masonry part to join. Ferric oxide, aluminum, that is ferric in the molten state, aluminum oxide, and that is the heat. So reduction of metal oxide, there is a definition is also there. The reduction of metal oxide by aluminum powder, the reduction of metal oxides by aluminum powder in which large amount of it is evolved, that process is called thermite process. Thank you for watching my video, my dear student. Please give more, subscribe, like and share, subscribe to my channel and be ready for the board examination. Thank you for watching my video. This is Surant, chemistry teacher. Happy Chhath Puja.